ChatGPT's 42 indicator Doge analysis flags extreme 30 cents breakout. ChatGPT, Dogecoin, price prediction. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. ChatGPT's 42 indicator analysis flags Doge's extreme 30 cents breakout test with RSI at 85.95 after 41.67% weekly surge amid BitOrigin's $500 million treasury. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 21, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT's AI model processed 42 live indicators, revealing explosive momentum as Dogecoin, Doge, rockets 2.7% to $0.28115 following an extraordinary 41.67% weekly surge driven by BitOrigin's $500 million treasury facility and institutional accumulation exceeding 1.08 billion Doge. Doge is trading with a high RSI of 85.95, while testing the key 30 cents psychological resistance ahead of potential positive catalysts. The following analysis synthesizes ChatGPT's 42 real-time technical indicators, corporate treasury developments, ETF speculation momentum, and altcoin season catalysts to assess Doge's 90-day trajectory amid historic weekly performance and extreme overbought conditions. Warning of correction risk. Technical explosion. Extreme overbought indicates correction risk. Dogecoin's current price of $0.28115 reflects exceptional daily gains of 2.7%, completing an extraordinary 41.67% weekly surge toward 2021 cycle highs. The massive $0.0218 intraday range represents 7.8% of the current price, indicating institutional accumulation and retail FOMO convergence during historic breakout acceleration. RSI at the extreme 85.95 level presents strong warning signs, as historical analysis shows readings above 80 typically precede corrections of 15 to 25%. This positioning suggests unsustainable momentum, requiring a healthy pullback toward the 24 to 26 cent support level before a continuation toward higher targets. MACD readings indicate strong bullish momentum, with a positive histogram at 0.01227, confirming the acceleration phase. However, extreme RSI levels create a binary scenario. Doge either achieves a decisive breakout above the 30 cents psychological level or experiences a sharp correction for a technical reset before the next leg up. Corporate treasury shift. BitOrigin's $500 million facility validates Doge. BitOrigin's acquisition of 40.5 million Doge, valued at under $500 million, represents major institutional validation of a meme coin treasury strategy. The treasury facility structure provides flexible capital deployment, allowing continued Doge accumulation during market volatility while maintaining upside participation. The transformation began when professional traders noticed something unusual: massive buy orders flowing into Doge markets over just 2 days. Data revealed that institutional players had accumulated over 1.08 billion Doge tokens, worth over $250 million. Altcoin season catalyst. Bitcoin dominance decline drives rotation. The decline in Bitcoin dominance triggers a massive capital rotation into altcoins, with Doge receiving disproportionate flows due to cultural recognition and institutional validation. The altcoin season catalyst creates optimal conditions for meme coin appreciation as institutional capital explores alternatives to Bitcoin concentration. This rotation pattern historically precedes sustained altcoin appreciation cycles lasting 6 to 12 months. Historical context. Approaching 2021 cycle resistance levels. Doge's current surge toward 30 cents approaches key resistance levels from 2021 cycle highs around 35 to 40 cents. The 75% recovery from June's 16 cents lows demonstrates strong resilience and institutional confidence building throughout the correction cycle. Current price action represents a 156% discount to the May 2021 all-time high of $0.7376, providing compelling risk-reward dynamics for institutional investors seeking exposure to a culturally relevant cryptocurrency with proven community sustainability. The approach toward historical resistance creates psychological importance, as breaking above 35 cents would establish higher highs, potentially triggering massive retail FOMO and institutional recognition, accelerating toward double-digit targets during continued altcoin season momentum. Support and resistance. EMA strength validates institutional positioning. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $0.26428. Reinforced by psychological support at $0.25000 to $0.26000. The exceptional EMA positioning, with prices 27 to 34% above all major moving averages, confirms the success of institutional accumulation and extraordinary trend strength. The 20-day EMA provides strong support at $0.21223 and the 200-day EMA at $0.20509. Offering multiple safety nets during any correction periods. Source: TradingView. Key resistance begins at the psychological $0.30000 level, followed by major resistance at $0.31000 to $0.32000. Breaking above this zone, despite an extreme RSI, would indicate continued momentum toward historical resistance at $0.35000 to $0.37000. Representing previous cycle highs. Market metrics. Historic volume validates breakout authenticity. Doge maintains $42.92 billion market capitalization with an exceptional 24-hour trading volume of $7.03 billion, representing a massive 105.6% surge. The volume-to-market cap ratio of 16.37% indicates intense institutional and retail participation, validating the authenticity of the breakout. The explosive volume surge to 2.26 billion Doge confirms an acceleration in institutional positioning ahead of ETF speculation and validation of corporate treasury adoption. Market dominance of 1.06% with a circulating supply of 150.18 billion Doge provides controlled tokenomics that appeal to institutional treasury strategies, while maintaining sufficient liquidity for continued professional participation during appreciation cycles. Social sentiment. Community euphoria drives institutional FOMO. Lunar Crush data reveals exceptional community engagement with AltRank reaching 9, indicating top-tier social performance among all cryptocurrencies. A Galaxy score of 78 with 11.26 million total engagements indicates that Doge is receiving massive attention during breakout periods. A social dominance of 2.75% with 48,220 mentions and 9,230 creators validates sustained community interest in corporate treasury adoption and ETF speculation narratives. Recent themes have focused on $1 to $2 price targets and institutional validation, rather than meme-driven speculation. The 80% positive sentiment reflects community confidence in the institutional adoption thesis, which supports Doge's evolution toward legitimate treasury asset status rather than a purely speculative